Well, we are here in this chimney, this big chimney. On the crown, the concrete in the crown is all full of cracks. You know, also the bricks, they are breaking. You know, it's a big chimney from 1764. We are in Groton. So we are going to use this product, Crown Repair Brushable. You have to do and wait for 2 to 4 hours, and after you do again. Okay, here we are. I put this in winter and it's still holding, so it's good. And I covered the cracks before, you know. It's all dry, nice. You know, the cracks, but the problem is all the bricks, they're breaking. You know, I don't understand because this looks new chimney. I don't know what happened with these bricks, but whatever. I'm gonna use the product, okay? And I cannot do it and recording, so I will record after when it's done. The first time. You need to use just a thin Well, now it's done. 2 layers. Thin one and the thicker one. You know, you have to wait 2 to 4 hours to get dry. And I like this product. It's pretty good. It's like a cement with silicone. You know, so I recommend it. Brush. You can buy online. You cannot buy in the store. Just online.